And,
4.
oh, then you write it under this first column. 452 is your answer. Mali ka lahat eh. Mali lahat. Mali lahat. Mali lahat. Ano, what grade did you get in math?
I don't know. I think 85.
Huh? How come you got 85? When you don't know how to add numbers? Adding numbers lang yan, ha? Hindi na multiplication and division. 85? Sobra, ano ba yan? Oh, this one. 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4.
12.
Oh, why did you put 9? Why did you put 9? Eh, your answer is 12, like that. Why did you put 9? You should put 12, too. Then carry 1 again. Oh, 1 plus 8. 8. Plus 1.
9.
Okay, 9 plus 3.
12.
12. Then, so you put again number 2 here and then carry again there. 1 plus
I
6.
forgot to add column.
The first column. Kasi you will start at the last column eh. You will start at the last column in adding numbers. Oh, 1 plus 6.
7.
Plus 2.
8. 9.
9. So, your answer should be 922. Why is it that you are 219? Baliktad. Kung ano ka ba naman na, bebe? What grade did you get in math? What grade did you get in math? Did you pass?
Yeah, I think.
You think? Some more exercises. Huh? Some more exercises. Nako, lalo na kung multiplication. Diyos ko. And division. Ah. Wala.